So as you can see, I made a wide diameter around the pipe, and I've seen in some other YouTube videos that you're not supposed to feather it out, but I did feather out the edges, and then I might even put another coat on after it dries. This is just such a critical area with the gap that I was seeing below the boot that I want to make sure that it's sealed up. So I'll continue on with these other areas, and as far as putting the mesh on and sealing up as much as I can. It just keeps going with the flaky areas that are coming up, and I just keep using my leaf blower and just try to do all this prep work and hoping that I get as much as the loose material off, and keep on sealing up these open areas and before I put my coating on. So we heard there's a rainstorm coming tomorrow, so these critical areas like this boot and some of these seams I want to get to before the bad weather comes tomorrow.